qualifying campaign, Connor, you guys got off to pretty much the perfect start, didn't you? Did you expect things to go so well, considering the amount of change that had happened after the World Cup?
No, it was a sense of transition. When I came to Burnley at the start of this season, there was a similar thing, lots of new players, new manager, things like that. And this season with Wales is very similar. I think we've had a lot of players go and new faces come in and new staff members come in. And what will happen is a sense of the unknown really before we played those games, and luckily we managed to get two brilliant results. And for me personally, I love playing for Wales, so to do well and to win games and to get points away at Croatia where not many people do is brilliant.
The cyfle ar y postyn pella, mae Nathan Broad disgorio dros Gymru ar achlysur ennill I gap cynta.
Don't want to look back too much, but that point against Croatia, now that the dust has settled, does it sunk in just how massive that was?
Yeah, of course it is. We went there, it was a case of try our very, very best and pray, and to nick it right at the death, it almost felt like a win. And
fair play to Nathan Broadhurst.
Yeah, brilliant. I think we went into that game, and just before it, I think I worked with Eric Ramsey at Swansea, and he never knew that I had a long throw, and he, before that game, said, like, obviously we're going to try and use it because we ain't going to get near their box very often, so when we do get there, let's get the ball in there and see if we can poke one in. And was it 96th minute, wherever it was, and
pandemonium.
Yeah, pandemonium, brilliant. Loads of fans there. I think the first real Wales away trip since COVID really, where everyone's been there and everyone's managed to come, kind of thing, and to top it off with that was brilliant. But moving forward, we have to build on that.
4 points from the first two games, but that'll almost count for nothing if you don't follow it up now with these next round of fixtures.
Of course, I think the campaign is all about keeping momentum, and we've kickstarted our momentum with that massive result, and we have to just keep on going forward.
Tell me a bit about the dynamic of the squad, because obviously you've had key and very experienced players retire. You've got the new generation coming through. Do you feel a responsibility now? I'm not calling you old, by the way, because we're the same age, so we're definitely not old.
I've only got 4 more caps, that's me, I think. No, yeah, definitely. I think looking at the last camp, we had a few pull out and that, and I was looking around thinking, I think I've got the 3rd most caps here, and I've only been playing for 4 or 5 years.
You're going grey yet?
I know, 4 or 5 years, and yeah, so I do feel like I'm a little bit of, when I do play, if I do play, I have to kind of, I've got more experience than them on the international stage, kind of thing. So when players do come into the squad, we have to kind of drag them along and bring them into the culture and let them know what it's all about, playing for Wales, and how we have to fight for every single point. I do pinch myself sometimes to see that I get to play for Wales. I get to walk out there, the red wall, play in amazing stadiums all over the world, and I've got 46 caps now, which is incredible to think. I never thought I would get one, to be honest, and I'll be happy if I can manage to get to 50. Will be incredible.
Connor, diolch yn fawr. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Everyone thinks football and TV is glamorous, but we're sat in the rain in Burnley.
I know, yeah.
I'll let you go inside.
Yes,
Thank you
no
very
worries.
much.
Thank you, cheers.